In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana in 2025, perfect for beginners who are just diving into this versatile project management tool. Let's get started by signing up for a free account. Head over to asana.com and there you'll see a big Get Started button. Click that and you'll have the option to sign up using either your email or your Google account. Asana offers a basic plan, which is free, and importantly, it doesn't require a credit card, so you can test the waters without any commitments. So, what's included in this free plan? Well, it's designed with streamlined productivity in mind, making it ideal for small teams or for managing your personal tasks. You can enjoy unlimited tasks, projects, messages, and activity logs. There's also unlimited storage, though limited to 100 MB per file, which is pretty generous for daily operations. You can collaborate with up to 10 teammates in a shared workspace. This allows you to work closely with your peers and manage assignments as efficiently as possible. Moreover, you have access to versatile organizational tools. These include List View, which works like a traditional task list, Board View for a visual Kanban-style workflow, and Calendar View, which helps you keep track of deadlines efficiently. All these options are available under the free plan, allowing you to visualize your work without shelling out for premium features. Now, when you first dive into Asana, you'll want to set up your own workspace. This is where the magic happens. Whether you're focusing on a personal project or leading a small team, create a workspace tailored to your needs. Within this workspace, you can set up different projects such as a marketing plan, content calendar, or even your personal goals. Under each project, add tasks and subtasks, breaking down each project into manageable pieces. Next, let's talk about organizing with different views. As mentioned, free plan users can easily toggle between list, board, and calendar views, giving you flexibility in how you monitor progress and deadlines. It's a fantastic way to arrange your task by priority or due date, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Finally, collaboration is key. Asana allows you to invite up to 10 teammates, giving you ample room to scale your operations. When you assign tasks, you can designate one person as the owner, but also include collaborators. This way, multiple team members receive updates and can contribute effectively. Moreover, you can comment on tasks and upload files directly, which streamlines communication and keeps everything contextually organized. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid foundation on how to make the most of Asana, harnessing its capabilities to improve your productivity and team collaboration effortlessly. Happy planning!